Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. I'm Ms. Nene and welcome to Ms. Nene's Art. I'm so happy that you're here today and I hope everyone had a beautiful and wonderful Christmas yesterday. I know my day yesterday was fantastic. Had my grandbabies over. It was a blast and it was so much fun. I'm telling you, 2020 has been a year that has been stressful and full of unknowns for everyone. And I've had my share of things that I've been dealing with, still dealing with. But it's just nice to be able to celebrate Christmas with your family and just let the world just disappear for a while you're with your family. So I hope that everyone was able to enjoy their Christmas like me. So today I am doing something that I have never done on or off camera. I wanted to try kiss pour. I've never done that. And before I go any further, I wanted you to know that I did make this painting on the 24th, Christmas Eve, and I was trying to get it out, on Christmas Day, but of course I couldn't. So now here we are, day after Christmas, and I'm hoping that you really enjoyed how this turned out. So, like I said, I'm going to do this kiss pour for the very first time. And I think it turned out perfect. I love it. And I hope you do too. So I'm going to pop out and then I will be showing the colors that I'm using here shortly. And I hope you enjoy the video. So I'll be back. So enjoy. Thanks for joining me, guys. Okay, I just wanted to pop in right quick and let you know what I'm up to. So, okay, this part, this blue, all this blue you see there in the corner there, um, I'm going to pour another layer on top of that, more of the coppers and the gold, because I didn't want all that blue there. I have this idea in my head what I wanted this painting to look like, and all this blue is not what I wanted. Although it does look pretty cool, I do like it, but I really wanted to try to shoot for what I was thinking in my head. Oftentimes I do that and it don't turn out right, but this is very, very close to what I had in my head, and I just wanna make it happen. I just want to make it happen. I want to see if I can do it. So, and I did. I did. You'll see at the end. But yeah, that's what I'm doing, is layering a little bit more paint to drop on top of that blue area right there to accomplish this look that I'm going for. So I can't wait for you to see it. I think it turned out great. Well, guys, here it is. I am so happy with the results of this because this is what I was looking for. Look at that beautiful blue line there. This is, I guess you could say, my interpretation, plan, painting of something in space, like Mars or something, some planet, a close up of the planet's edge. That's what I see when I look at this painting, and that's kind of what I had in my head as well. So yeah, I am completely in love with this. And this part right here, the part that I poured over that blue, look at that. I love that. I love it. And I really am happy I made that decision to do that. Because that blue, although it was nice, it's just not what was in my plan. So here it is dry. Look at that. I'm so excited. I really love this. It turned out exactly the way that I hoped. Maybe even better, I think. I'm going to definitely try this again. My daughter suggested like a like galaxy collection. So I think I might give that a shot. Guys, let me know what you think. How do you think this turned out? Do you like it? Do you like this extra paint that I put right there in this spot to cover that blue? Or did you prefer the blue besides this color, the other pour that I poured on top? Let me know what you think in the comments below. And thank you so, so much for joining me today. And if you like this video, please maybe consider giving it a thumbs up and even better, subscribing. Thank you so much. This is probably my last video for 2020. Maybe, maybe not. I'm not sure. I'm going to try to throw one more in before the end of the year. So take care. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And stay safe. See you soon. Bye-bye.